Discrimination is bullying. Disrespect. You discriminate. Don't say you are just a house worker. This is not allowed. Harassment. Harassment is physically and verbally. Just like shouting. This is verbally. Harassment. Physically, you hit the house worker. Shall be provided with the necessary and adequate assistance for the protection of her physical and psychological health, including assist and timely medical and wellness service. The text, kailangan sa lahat ng pangangailangan, i-provide mo ang kailangan ng kasambahay. Sa kalusog, sa pisikal, sa katawan, psychological, sa pag-iisip, at sa kalusugan. At ang medical wellness service ethics, ang mga gamot. Kailangan kung kailangan ng gamot, kailangan i-provide ng employer. Dito lang tayo sa dahil full storage ako. Bilisan ko ito. Basta, kung ano lang ang maintindihan ko, yun ang ikuhan ko sa inyo. Into the account, among the other things in her gender-specific needs, both the domestic employer and domestic worker shall perform their reciprocal obligation and mutual respect. Yes, hindi lamang tayo ang magrespeto sa ating mga employer. Ang employer must respect also the house worker. This is both domestic employer and domestic worker shall perform the reciprocal obligation with a mutual respect for each other, including the domestic worker's duty to respect for the teaching of the Islamic religion, regulations in the force of the kingdom, and the culture of the Saudi society. Yes, this is good thing. As a Christian, I really appreciate the people here in Saudi Arabia. I respect how they praying their God. I respect what their rank. I respect anyone, baby to adult, because this is, as a human being, we must respect each other, especially both employer and house worker. We respect you as a Islamic, and you respect us as a Christian. This is good. Number 5, monthly wages. The domestic worker and domestic employee agree on a monthly wage of SAR 1,500 that must be paid regularly at the end of each Gregorian month, which is the accordance with the laws and regulation prevailing in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The monthly shall be start upon actual reporting to work. Yes, the monthly wage. Kailangan buwan-buwan ang pagbayad, na ito rin ang pinagkasunduan ng buong Saudiya, na buwan-buwan din ang sahod. At ang pag-umpisa sa oras ng iyong dating sa bahay. Ito rin na sitwasyon. Ito, may kuan ako ditong kunting problema. Pareho sa akin, dumating ako ng October 29. Dapat October 29, doon ang sahod. Pero tao naman tayo. Kasi the day of departure, it is our starting of our salary. 29 ang departure, 30 kami. Pero hindi ako nakapagpasok agad dahil hindi nila ako kinuha. Pero sinahuran naman nila ako sa 2 weeks ko dito sa accommodation. Depende na yun, both sides ng employer saka worker. Pero ang batas talaga, pagdating ng Saudi Arabia, you must get your house worker to start the work and to have a salary. Yes. Number 6, manner of payment of monthly wage. A domestic employer shall pay the monthly wage of the domestic worker by remitting or depositing to his bank wallet account. Ang domestic employer kailangang maggawa ng account sa bangko para kusa na ang bangko na ang magpasahod sa domestic worker. Must ha, because it is must. Domestic employer shall pay the monthly wage of the domestic worker by remitting or depositing on her bank to wallet account. Ang employer na ang monthly na magbayad sa bangko. Then bank to domestic worker ang sahuran monthly. Number B, the deposit slip of the proof of payment shall be given to the domestic worker. Deposit slip, proof payment shall be given. Kailangan ang resibo, ito, magbayad ang employer sa bangko. Then, ang bangko magbayad sa domestic worker with the resibo monthly. Binuwan, buwan-buwan. Letter C, the domestic employer shall help the domestic worker to remit her wage to her beneficiary in the Philippines through the proper banking channels or e-wallet. Kailangan ang employer tulungan ang katulong na magpadala buwan-buwan sa mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. Number 7, contract insurance. The Saudi recruitment shall, according to the applicable and related regulation and resolutions, acquire a contract insurance in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia beneficial for both parties. Merong insurance din pala. Applicable related regulation and resolution acquire contract insurance in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia beneficial for both parties. Wala pang nakakuan ito. Pero ito, may contract insurance. Number 8, required daily rest hours. The domestic worker shall be provided with continuous rest at least 9 hours per day. Continuous. Kailangan ang kasambahay may continuous na mapagpahinga, rest hours, continuous 9 days daily, araw-araw yan. Kung ito, magtrabaho siya ng gigising ng 10 pagkatapos ng trabaho sa 10 din ng gabi, kailangan 10 ng gabi, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, alas 7, gigising, 9 hours continuous, per day, 9 hours. Number 10, ang number 9, rest day. The domestic worker shall be given one day weekly rest. Ang kasambahay kailangan may isang araw na rest, day off, sa isang linggo. Number 10. Hanggang number 10 din tayo dahil marami ito. Kunin ko ang pinaka-importante lang. transportation cost. The domestic employer shall provide the domestic worker free transportation to the site of employment and back to the Philippines upon expiration of contract and ensure the domestic worker timely repatriation. Pagkatapos daw ng 2 taon, kailangan may libreng pamasahe pabalik sa Pilipinas. Number B, in case of termination by the domestic employer and unlawful reason by the domestic worker of the legitimate reason, the domestic employer must bear the cost of the repatriating domestic worker to the Philippines. Ano daw? Kung para sa akin, 1 year pinapauwi na ako. Tapos hindi ko natapos ang 2 kontra ko. Kailangan ang employer ko bayaran ang 1 year na hindi ko natapos. Yun ang ibig sabihin. Number 11, accommodation and food. The domestic employer shall provide the domestic worker with safe, suitable, and sanitary living quarters as well as adequate food and equivalent monetary allowance. Accommodation and food, room at pagkain. Domestic employer, magbigay daw ang employer ng safety and suitable sanitary living quarters, malinis, comfortable, adequate, equivalent monetary with allowance. Number 12, medical assistance. In the event of the domestic worker is ill, injured, and unable to physically perform in her duties, domestic worker shall be allowed to rest and shall continue to receive his regular wage. Kung ang oras daw na ang katulong ay magkasakit, na hindi niya gusto na makasakit dahil hindi siya may lagnat, may kuan, may sa akin, may piksa ako, dito, tapos masakit igalaw, tapos may lagnat, kailangan kong mamahinga, tapos continuous daw ang salary ko. Tapos healthcare shall be provided by the domestic employer and domestic worker shall accordance to the regulations and instruction for the force of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. With medicine, bibilhan daw ng kuan. Healthcare and provided domestic employer. Healthcare. May healthcare. Kompleto na yan basta healthcare. 13. Annual vacation and sick leave. The domestic workers is entitled to get paid annual vacation to the month of is spent 2 years and desired to renew for a similar period with the round trip economic class ticket to the Philippines spend in annual vacation. Ito naka-avail ako. Pananglitan kung natapos ang 2 years. Tapos free ang pauwi. Tapos may 1 buwan ako na libre. Further, former domestic worker shall be entitled to paid sick leave in period not exceeding 30 days. This is event domestic work is issued to medical report per his regulation. May karapatan din na mag-sick leave ang katulong. Kung 2 taon mo, tapos nakasakit ka ng 1 taon, pwede kang mag-sick leave. Wala nang sahod yan. Kasi dito sa Saudi, no work, no pay. Pero kung nandyan ka pa, kibali hindi lang malala yung sakit mo, mga sinat, lagnat, ubo, pwede kang mamahinga pero may sahod ka. 14. Repatriation of remains. Repatriation of remains. In case of death, the domestic employer is responsible to repatriation of domestic workers' remains and his personal belongings to the Republic of the Philippines as soon as early possible without undue delay. In case the repatriation remains of the possible the same and may repose and obtaining the approval of the domestic worker next to kin of by the Philippine Embassy. Kung kuan daw, kung isang kasambahay ay mamatay, lahat ng mga gamit ay karapat-dapat na ang employer ang magmapadali na ipadala doon sa Pilipinas. Lahat ng gamit, walang maiwan, lahat. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Ipadala doon sa Pilipinas. 15. Dispute resolution. In case of the dispute between the domestic employer and the domestic worker, the party shall be their responsible best efforts to resolve and dispute ultimately through the good faith negotiations, and dispute cannot be resolved amicability and shall be referred to the Champion Judicial Authority of Kingdom Saudi Arabia. 16. Abscond and refuses of work. Abscond or refuses to work. Ang mga dahilan ng pag-aayaw sa trabaho. In the event of that domestic worker absent, refuses to work without acceptable reasons with the first 3 months of the contract, the Philippine Recruitment Agency shall bear the cost of the alternative to the domestic work or return the cost according to the contract signed between the domestic employer and the Saudi Recruitment Office and Philippine Recruitment Office. Ito, kung ang kasambahay ay nag-refuse sa work ng walang mainam na dahilan, walang valid reason, ang recruitment agency ay magbalik sa pera na nabayad sa employer kung walang dahilan within 3 months. Transfer 17. Transfer the service. Should he decide that domestic worker shall be allowed to immediately transfer to another domestic employer under any of the following circumstances. Ang mga kuan ng paglipat sa serbisyo or exchange ng work upon expiration of contract, kung tapos na ang kontrata, pwede ka nang maglipat. B. When the domestic employer fails to pay the domestic worker on time